says check end gap. 4/1000 of an inch per 1 inch of bore diameter is the minimum. So for mine at 3.78 bore diameter, my minimum is about 16/1000 of an inch. For the second ring, you want to do 5/1000 of an inch for each inch of bore size. So to check that, I'm just going to be using this set of feeler gauges that I have. Which on my paper here, it shows you for the rings. See the square end, non-directional. Every time I'm doing this, I'm double checking to make sure that my ends are nice and square. You don't want to get angled or anything on these. They need to be nice and square. Now my rings are lined up, so now I need to take the gap to spec. See, on one side I've got a shiny side, that's where I've been filing down. And on the other side it's still black. That's because there's a coating that they put on these, and that's the reason you only want to grind one side. At this point I can just barely fit my 8/1000 in, so I've got about 6/1000, or no, that's not right. I've got about 8/1000 more to go, halfway there. If you don't have patience for super tedious stuff, filing piston rings is not for you. Right now, if I take my 17/1000 of an inch feeler gauge, doesn't quite fit in there. If I take my 16/1000 of an inch feeler gauge, you can see it sits in there nice and flush. Number 4, done. Now just to repeat that 12 more times for the top and bottom ring of all 6 cylinders. Ugh.